Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Andrew. We are on Constant Spring Road and we're heading towards the Washington Boulevard area. Here we're now at the intersection with Hillman Road, and on the left we just passed the True Value Super Center. It's a new plaza that was just built. As you can see, Kingston Spring Road was recently renovated. It's a very nice road, dual carriageway, has street lights, has a concrete barricade, very nicely done. And this road is this is how all the main roads in Jamaica should look, and hopefully one day we get to this level. All the roads, main roads, look like this. Now Kingston Spring Road runs from the Manor Park area or the Stony Hill area all the way down to Halfway Tree. And Halfway Tree is one of the busiest places, well, it is the busiest place in Jamaica. So you can imagine this is a very busy road. But what this road is most famous for, or most popular for, is the malls that are on it. A lot of malls are on this road. And when we say malls, we mean more like plazas or shopping centers. That's what we call them in Jamaica. Okay, this is Mary Brown's Corner. If we turn right, we'd go on to Mannings Hill Road. And so a lot of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica, or the more popular neighborhoods, are very close to Kingston Spring Road. You have like Stillwell, Norbrook, Manor Park, Cherry Gardens. So you find a lot of residential areas are close by. So that's why you have so many malls on this road, because it's like the center. It's one of the main roads in Kingston actually. If you want to leave Kingston or enter, this is one of the main roads you would take. So it's a very popular road. On the left we just passed Oaklands, and that's a massive residential community. So the government did an excellent job in renovating this road. On the left you can see another plaza being built. On the right, plazas. There are also a lot of schools on Kingston Spring Road or off Kingston Spring Road. See on the left, this is a commercial building that's being renovated. So before this road was renovated, it could take up to 4 hours to get from Halfway Tree to Manor Park on say a Friday afternoon. So now we can reach up in like half an hour, 20 minutes. So they put in a lot of street lights to control the flow of the traffic. But one of the major reasons why the traffic is flowing so much better is because of these concrete barricades. So let's say somebody wanted to turn into this plaza here on the right. They would just stop, turn, block up the road just to get in there. But because the concrete barricade is there now, that person would have to go down to the stoplight, make a U-turn and come back up. So the concrete barricades have made a big difference. Also, when you have a road that doesn't have potholes on it, the traffic flows so much better. And this road doesn't have, unless the road is dug up, it doesn't have flooding and it doesn't have potholes on it. But sometimes, unfortunately, well, it's only one company that digs up the road that I can think of, and that's Water Commission. And they dig up the road, I'm assuming to fix the pipes, and they don't put the road back in the state they found it. But usually what you find is a major road construction project like this, Kingston Spring Road, Water Commission would go in and put in new pipes so that you don't really have problems with a pipe bursting or something. But it can happen. But usually they would go in and lay new pipes, sewage pipes, so that you don't have to dig up this road or a new road for any such reason. Okay, we're now at the intersection with Dunrobin Avenue. So we're going to turn right and go onto Dunrobin Avenue and head towards the boulevard. If we were to go straight, we would go down to Halfway Tree, and there are a lot more plazas down there. Some of the top plazas in Jamaica actually are further down. But we have videos up of those plazas like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza, so you can search the channel for those videos. Today is a Sunday, so you can see the amount of traffic. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. So during the week now, when you have all the schools open and persons getting to work, it's a very busy road. Alright, so as you can see now, Dunrobin Avenue leads us to Washington Boulevard and then Mandela Highway. And it's a 6-lane road because this is a very busy road. It's one of the major roads that takes you into and out of Kingston, and also because it leads you to and from Halfway Tree. So that's another reason why this road is 6 lanes. This section is more of a commercial area, but if you were to turn right here onto Lindsay Crescent and go a little up the road, you get into the residential part or the residential areas. So when we go across the light, we're going to go on to Washington Boulevard. And Washington Boulevard is also 6 lanes. So you can literally drive from Stony Hill or Manor Park all the way out of Kingston on literally a highway, because all these roads are of a quality that you could consider a highway. So the government has done an excellent job, and I mean excellent job, in renovating these roads and bringing them up to a higher standard. You can literally drive from Mandela Highway or drive into Kingston and go all the way to Halfway Tree, and you have good roads. You could drive from Halfway Tree all the way to downtown Kingston, excellent roads. Because Marcus Garvey Drive has been renovated, Port Royal Street has been renovated, so they have done an excellent job. And these roads are not being fixed according to, oh, this area belongs to this party, that area. No, they are fixing them based on the usage. Like Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. That road was fixed first, and then Washington Boulevard, Marcus Garvey Drive. So they're doing an excellent job. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.